have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness. You'll find that in Ephesians 5 verse 11. You will never run away from God with whatever you do. Even if you try, it will catch up with you. If it doesn't catch up with you, a month later, a week later, a day later, it will catch up with you when you are successful. And when you tell yourself that now I am successful, everything is in order, and then it catches up with you. If God says, when you sin, you must admit that you have sinned, and you don't admit, it will catch up with you. I didn't mention to my husband that I had an abortion. I refused. I said I kept it as a secret. And when there was a second wife, when there was a woman who joined our family, who joined us, she had an abortion and she wanted to hide it because she was copying from me, because there was a spirit in the house that I admitted, that I allowed. So hence the wife, my sister wife, my young sister wife, had to try to hide it, and my husband find it, because when she was having an abortion, it wasn't successful according to her plans. Why? Because God was revealing to me that whatever I do, as long as I'm against him, as long as I'm disobedient and I'm working with the person who is always submitting everything to him, anything that I'll do, it will catch up with me. Anything that I'll do in the dark, as long as he's walking in the light, darkness will be revealed, that there's darkness, there's something that is disturbing the family, there's something that is wrong in the family. Never keep it a secret. When God gives you a person that you can reveal what you have done, never keep it a secret. When you find someone whom you can reveal or expose the devil, expose the devil when you are given time, because in the grave you will never get time to do that. Trust me, this is how far the devil has used me, and this is how far I have allowed the devil to use me. Little did I know that keeping a secret of I did an abortion, when given an opportunity, I had about 3 chances, and with all those 3 chances, I never gave myself an opportunity to expose the devil until everything was gone. Hence I'm saying, okay, if I didn't expose the devil when it was time to expose, I will succeed. And when I have succeeded and have told myself that now I have succeeded in life, and then all that secret will swallow it. The snake will swallow it. The snake, who is the devil, will swallow it. My husband was truthful to say to me, you will introduce the second wife, and the way I was introduced, it was also because of my fault. I will reveal more on my other videos, but for now, take this. Have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness, rather expose them. They are fruitless. When we see people succeed, those ones that do not worship God, most of the time it can be, I'm not saying it's be, most of the time it can be that the devil gave them. And where did the devil get it? He got it from someone like me who likes keeping secret. Because when I keep secret like this, the devil takes my destiny. The devil steals my destiny, steals what God gave me. Because God has purpose for everyone. So the devil saw it an opportunity when I'm hiding that I had an abortion. Everything that I will do, it will be swallowed.